Good morning, good morning, good morning. So welcome to my video again. So it's 7:16 in the morning. Then I am going to do some kind of important work, and that is pollination. So we have here a lot of lucky day today. Pollen grains. And there, pollen grains of this anthurium to be crossbred with this another anthurium. I have covered it since it has bloomed. So you see there's a sticky thing here. That means she's fertile in that area. So what I'm gonna do is to get some pollen from this anthurium. I hope I can harvest more, but the flower is, I think, about to die. No, the flower is, I think, about to stop producing pollen soon. So I think I have only a fewer pollen, and then I will transfer my hand here and the sticky part of it. Careful not to break anything. My hand is shaking, so at least massage a bit. This one, and then repeat the process. There's not much pollen in here, but I'm interested in the idea of having crossbreed between two variegated plants. Oh, I think there hasn't much. And then on the other side, massage on the other side. There you are. And then I will cover this plastic. Okay, tomorrow again I will repeat this process. Thank you for watching.